Let's learn how to recover funds from Binance exchange if Binance deposit wasn't received. So I will show you this tutorial on browser, Binance website, because it's most easier, but you can follow up with any other device because method and steps are very similar. So without any delay, let us start by going to Binance website. From here, you will have to go on wallet and go to transaction history. When you reached transaction history, click on this deposit hasn't arrived yellow underlined text. Now you will get new page, deposit status query. Do you know the reason why your deposit hasn't arrived? Yes. Click on this first forgot or filled in wrong memo tag. Now click submit appeal. Coin token. Now you will have to find your transaction that hasn't arrived, and you will have to see the information and paste them here. So, for example, let's go and be Dodge. Deposit amount, how money is missing. Let's type some random numbers. Hash ID. So hash ID will be, you will see it in transaction history near your wallet. It's always some random numbers, so copy it from the wallet and paste it here, and then click on submit. After you done this, it will be, you will wait few hours before Binance support answer you, but you will receive your money after some hours if this was a mistake. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.